Welcome to another episode of the news segment of AFEMAI Today TV, your dependable online TV channel that brings to you updates on AFEMAI land, otherwise called Edo North in Edo State, South Nigeria. My name is Ray Festus Simpa. First, the highlights of the news. 1996 set of old students of Anglican Grammar School, Igara, pays JSSE enrollment fee for 11 indigent students. Professor Julius Ihovere sets for inauguration into Nigeria's Green Chamber, June 11. The local organizing committee, LOC, of 2019 Igara Itoji Festival unveils 5 subcommittees. The Oloriwan of Okwe Kingdom celebrates birthday. Finally, Arisco loses dad. Now the details of the news. Recently, 1996 set of old students of Anglican Grammar School, Igara, Akoko Edo Local Government Area, Edo State, South Nigeria, paid for GSSE enrollment fee for 11 indigent students. Presenting the cash award to the beneficiary students or their representatives in the presence of their parents, guardians, and the school community, on behalf of 1996 set, Honorable Benga Akonde encouraged the beneficiaries to consider the award as a clarion call for them to study well, so that they too could become a source of blessing to the school in future. AFEMAI Today TV has more. Wednesday, 22nd May 2019, would eternally be remembered in the annals of Anglican Grammar School, a renowned secondary school in Igara, the ancient town beneath Kukuruku Hills in Akoko Edo Local Government Area, Edo State, South Nigeria, as a 1996 set presented cash award to 11 indigent students for the payment of their GSSE enrollment fee. During the presentation, on behalf of 1996 set, Honorable Benga Akonde charged the beneficiaries to study well so that they too could become a source of blessing to the school and their generation.
Make sure you are serious with what you are doing.
He said that the philanthropic support which 1996 said had offered the school did not begin today, as they had, among other projects, renovated a block of 6 classrooms and the Corpus Lodge. Honorable Akonde used the occasion as an opportunity to call on other sets of old students to emulate the good work of their counterpart as a means of taking the great Anglican Grammar School to academic crescendo.
In this junction, I would like to speak to our colleagues from other sets. We are 96 sets. Other colleagues before us and colleagues before after us. I want us to join hands together to see we push the school to the next level.
Parents and guardians in attendance, as well as teaching and non-teaching staff of the school, overwhelmingly appreciated the old students for their kind gesture, and, like Oliver Twist, trust that other needs of the school will be met by them. The students who turned out in their number to witness the historic event prayed for the donors. Ray Festus Simpa, AFEMAI Today TV. Professor Julius Ihovere, OON, the honorable member-elect representing Onwa Federal Constituency in Edo State, South Nigeria, is set for his formal inauguration come June 11. In a telephone chat with AFEMAI Today TV recently, the immediate past chairman, strategy planning team, Edo State government, said that it was a new dawn for one land and people, as he promised to be a formidable developmental voice to them at the Green Chamber. He thanked the people for their consistent prayers and support. The local organizing committee of 2019 Igara Itoji Festival at its inaugural meeting of Sunday, 19th May 2019, unveiled 5 sub-committees for its effective administration. Reeling out the subcommittees, Mrs. Antonia Oriloye, the LOC chairperson, said that the subcommittees were expected to synergize with one another for the maximum success of the festival. The subcommittees are, according to her, are Revenue Generation and Administration Committee, Budget Review Committee, Planning and Protocol Committee, Marketing Committee, and Publicity Committee. The 2019 Igara Itoji Festival is billed to hold from Monday 23rd to Wednesday 25th December 2019. Her Royal Majesty, Mrs. Josephine Eshimokai, the Olori One of Okwe Kingdom in Akoko Edo Local Government Area, Edo State, South Nigeria, was on Monday, 20th May 2019, a year older. In a telephone chat with Afemai Today TV last weekend, the birthday celebrant thanked God for his endless faithfulness for the journey so far. She also appreciated her husband, the Akoko Edo Lion King, His Royal Highness Oba Okishmede Eshimokai Idogu III, JPOON, the Olokwe of Okwe Kingdom, the Olokwe in Council, her royal household, and the good people of Okwe Kingdom for their support. Afemai Today TV, on behalf of Afemai Development and Transformation Initiative, ADTI, wishes her many more years ahead in good health and ceaseless prosperity. Finally, the death has been announced of Chief Joseph Omaba Arichoke, the Ogbodo Oponodafoda of Igara, the ancient town beneath Kukuruku Hills in Akoko Edo Local Government Area, Edo State, South Nigeria. Confirming the sad event to Afemai Today TV recently, a renowned oil and gas magnate, Mr. Francis Monday Arichoke, fondly called Arisco, the son of the deceased, described his late father as a true father whose love for his immediate family and others around him could not be overemphasized. Report reaching Afemai Today TV news desk this morning has it that June 5 is the commencement date of the funeral rites of the late octogenarian. Until his demise, late Chief Arichoke was a successful farmer. May his gentle soul rest in peace. My fellow Afemai people, we have no any other place other than Afemai land that we can call our own. Therefore, let us join our hands to illuminate her developmentally. Thank you for watching. Till I see you at the next episode on this same station. God bless you.